In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable cookies in Google Chrome. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites store in your browser to remember preferences, keep you signed in, and tailor content. Third-party cookies come from other domains that are embedded on the page, such as ad networks or analytics tools. They can be helpful for staying signed in across services, but they also allow cross-site tracking. Depending on your privacy needs, you can allow or block them. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, also called the More menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. On the left side of Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section controls what websites can store and use in your browser. Next, click Site Settings. Here you'll find permissions and data controls for websites. Scroll until you find third-party cookies and click it. This page is where you choose how Chrome handles cookies that come from sites other than the one you're visiting. If you want to disable them for stronger privacy, choose Block Third-Party Cookies. With this setting, most websites will still work because first-party cookies from the site you're on are allowed, but embedded content or sign-in widgets from other services may not remember you. If something stops working, refresh the page and check for prompts that ask to allow cookies for that site. If you need everything to function as widely as possible, especially on sites that use multiple services for login or checkout, choose Allow Third-Party Cookies. That effectively enables them, which can improve compatibility but may reduce privacy by allowing cross-site tracking. Changes take effect immediately. There's no need to restart the browser. After you switch the setting, revisit any tabs you had open and refresh to apply the new behavior. A quick tip, on this same page, you'll typically see options to add exceptions, letting you keep third-party cookies blocked by default while allowing them only on specific trusted websites. That way you get the best mix of privacy and convenience. You can also use the search box at the top of settings and type cookies if you'd like to jump straight to this area in the future. That's all there is to it. Open the More menu, go to Settings, head into Privacy and Security, open Site Settings, then Third-Party Cookies, and choose either Block to disable or Allow to enable. Make the choice that best fits your browsing needs and adjust any time.